If you are into design, content creation, or marketing, you have probably heard about Canva AI and Adobe Firefly. Both are powerful AI tools that help you create images, graphics, and design in seconds, but they are not the same. In this video, we'll compare them based on features, ease of use, quality, pricing, and who should use which tool. And for now, let's get into it. What is Canva AI? Canva AI is built inside Canva, an all-in-one design platform. It includes tools like text-to-image generation, magic design, auto layouts, background remover, AI writing assistant, Magic Write. The biggest advantage of Canva AI is that it's simple and beginner-friendly. You do not need design skills. Just type your idea and Canva builds the design for you. It's mainly focused on social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, and marketing content. What is Adobe Firefly? Adobe Firefly is Adobe's AI image generation tool integrated into apps like Photoshop and Illustrator. It focuses on text-to-image generation, text effects, generative fill, editing parts of images using AI, high-quality artistic outputs. Firefly is built for more advanced and professional design work, especially for people already using Adobe tools. It also stands out because Adobe trains Firefly on licensed and safe-to-use content, which is important for commercial projects. Ease of use. Canva AI is clearly the winner here. It's drag and drop, extremely beginner friendly, fast with templates ready to use. Adobe Firefly, on the other hand, is more powerful but has a learning curve, works better inside Adobe apps like Photoshop, feels more professional than beginner friendly. So if you are new to design, Canva is easier. If you are experienced, Firefly is more flexible. Image quality and output. Adobe Firefly generally produces higher quality and more realistic images, especially for product mockups, concept art, detailed creative visuals. Canva AI produces good results, but they are often more basic template style, optimized for social media rather than deep artistic work. So in pure quality, Adobe Firefly wins. Features comparison. Canva AI is stronger in all-in-one design features, templates, presentations, social media scheduling, branding tools. Adobe Firefly is stronger in creative AI editing, generative fill in Photoshop, advanced image manipulation, professional grade design control. So Canva equal all-in-one content creation, Firefly equal advanced AI design and editing. Pricing. Canva AI offers a free plan, but most AI features require Canva Pro. Adobe Firefly also offers free credits, but full access usually comes with Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. In general, Canva is cheaper for beginners and creators. Adobe is more expensive but more powerful for professionals. Who should use what? Use Canva AI if you are a beginner, if you are a content creator, if you are a YouTuber or social media manager, and if you are someone who needs fast designs. Choose Adobe Firefly if you are a professional designer, if you are a Photoshop Illustrator user, if you are working on commercial or client projects, and if you are focused on high quality visuals and editing. Final verdict and conclusion. So, which one is better? There is no absolute winner. It depends on your needs. If you want speed, simplicity, and ready made content, Canva AI wins. If you want professional quality and advanced creative tool, Adobe Firefly wins. For most beginners and creators, Canva AI is more practical. But for professionals, Adobe Firefly is the stronger tool. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. And tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for, Canva AI or Adobe Firefly. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.